Good afternoon. Am I
Good
audible?
afternoon, sir. You're audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
How did you write your exam? Tough, huh? What does he no answer?
Average, sir.
Hmm? Is it tough paper? I did not give the paper. That's what.
Sir. Actually, sir, it's a tough.
Who is this fellow Ishak? Anybody by name Ishak?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your DP photo should be there.
It's the website.
Sohail, Samir. Do you have anything discuss? Any doubts are there?
No, sir. No, sir.
What is the last one we are discussing?
State of charge.
Conducting and non-conducting. Okay. Thank you. In a region,
Difficult, sir. Little,
pardon,
little difficult, sir.
little difficult means so difficult. You finish the drive questions, huh?
No, sir.
Then without doing everything is difficult, no? In ABCD, it will be difficult if you learn them. Hmm? Wyman, how many years you want to do? 10 years, huh? Hmm? You know that it's a 2 years course, no? You know that?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Then why?
Sir, very slow, sir. I don't know.
See, without your knowledge, lot of time will be wasted. Did you ever observe?
yes, sir. Observed.
If you sit with the phone for without your knowledge, lot of time will go. If you wish to go to your washroom for urination, you count that minimum half an hour will be wasted. Going, washing your hands, again coming, relaxing. So like that, if you look, observe that, be careful. If your life, no, you're studying for your own sake, not for others' sake, no. It is a difficult task. That's the reason why very few people will be successful, no. See, now around 6 members were removed from the college, from your section. Those are regularly irregular, they were removed. Like that, slowly, if you cut short this strength, shortly Arjun sir will come into the marks domain. After that, he will ask us, we will say assignments. So pressure will mount on you. Be careful of this.
Sir, they are permanently removed.
Yeah. Why, man? See, this is very easy to remove a person from a college because first day there will be a sign. Agreement will be just cannot work like a pawn shop, no? In that, some rules will be there. Without prior notice, college decision is final. And all faculty member will bring pressure on management, they have to remove. We will bear for some extent. Second year we can't because we are under pressure for results now.
Yes.
In outgoing seniors also almost everybody because of pandemic the writing exam as there like now we kept only 7 members are there. We removed many people. If all are removed also we'll be happy because anyway they won't get seat. What is the use in them? If we gain something, we can use that pen is not writing, we'll change the refill, we'll try. Still it is not writing. What we'll do? We'll throw the pen, that's all. So instead of wasting time in outgoing, now we are concentrating on incoming seniors. Suppose you are also like that, then we concentrate on juniors. Of course, your juniors are very good this year. Again, I think 2023 we will get the same below 100 rank again. Right. If you are seriously doing, you can finish your one. Anytime I ask, you're doing it, still you're doing. How many days you will do, I don't understand. This indicates that last year you did not do any assignment because only one dry problem you are not doing. What you have done, resonance, LN, and all. In that, only the quality problems are picked up and kept in the tray. Right. In a region, see, there is some space, there is some region, totally charge is distributed in this region. How does it distribute? At charge per unit volume. Okay, so we'll consider one small region, elemental region. In this, you have, suppose this is x, this thickness is dx, no? So, what is the volume of that region? You're able to see this is the surface area and thickness. Follow this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the charge, man? Sigma into dV. Sigma is b by x, na, distance x, into 4 pi x square dx. Understood this? Now you want to know the total charge enclosed. 2 pi b x dx. No? Agreed or not? So now we want to find the electric field at a radial distance smaller. Say that means here x equals to 0. Somewhere you have some r or something. X equals to r. This is 2 pi b x square by 2. How much you will get when? Pi b r square minus g square. Any doubt is that till here? Followed this?
Yes.
So here at a distance of r, we need the electric field, no? So we'll consider the Gaussian surface. This is the Gaussian surface. For this Gaussian surface, the electric field will be in which direction? radial, no? And n cap is also radial one, no? For this Gaussian surface, we have EDS cos 0, charge enclosed by the surface by epsilon naught.
Epsilon.
No? E is same because it is R is same at every point. Charge enclosed is by epsilon naught. This is surface area now.
Yes, sir.
So pi will go, R square will go, B by 4 epsilon naught.
Epsilon.
Understood this? This is 2 pi. Huh? Oh, here we have done a mistake. Got this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
You're following at least what is being taught.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Follow.
Why you are not doing like this? Tell one secret, man. Again, if you get rank, good marks here, you will get name. We are shy of that. Huh?
Friends,
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here, you are having some arbitrary conductor. When you give charge, you know that more charge will be accumulated at sharp points. Very less charge will be there. Till here, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Agreed? Now I want to know the electric field here. You can see this is not constant. That means sigma suppose I want to know here the local charge density over is some lambda. Now I want to know the electric field. What I will do is I will choose a Gaussian surface which is a cylinder. Now this will be piercing this region, no?
Yes,
Only
sir.
this region will have a charge. What is the charge? Can you tell? Charge enclosed sigma into ds. Sigma is the charge density at this point. Do you agree with this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Follow this. So here, this is a Gaussian surface. This Gaussian surface, we assume this, the Gaussian surface. Okay, now we have, this is one plane surface and this is the curved surface. No? Now for the curved surface, we'll apply Gauss law for this. Now you can see how does the electric field be. For a conductor, electric field lines will come out like this only, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the E inside?
0.
See, simply we will take for surface 1, again E dot ds for surface 2, again E dot ds for surface 3 is charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Do you agree with this? Now this is for surface 1, E is 0, no?
Yes,
Remember? Okay. Plus for surface 2 plus for curved surface, this is n cap, no? This is E.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, this is nothing but
0.
charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Do you agree with this? These two are 0. Only surface, this is 0. This is also 0. Charge enclosed. What is dq you got?
Lambda ds.
Sigma ds. This is the surface area now for 2. Do you agree with this?
Great, sir.
E equals how much?
Lambda. No,
Same thing you got earlier. If you want to check up.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. That's
1 minute. Done, sir.
You got your marks, huh?
Yes.
Sir, we got
What is the total?
highest total, sir.
Yes.
252, sir.
Physics highest? 60, eh?
1 minute, sir.
You have that, huh?
No, sir, the result is not given. It is there on website, sir.
See, this is, suppose you have here why physics is so difficult. Huh? Understood this? So from this vertical, just outside the charged metal surface. The net electric field strength is where sigma is okay. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Right up. Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same thing we learned earlier now.
The same thing.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
In case of a spherical conductor, lambda is same at any point.
Yes, sir.
We agree with this? Therefore,
Yes,
sigma
sir.
will be same. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, for example, just here you have this electric field now. Now that E is how much? What is this? This Q by 4 pi r square. Previously you got this one, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the surface, how much you got? Just near the surface.
Sigma by epsilon.
As the distance increases, then R will change. That's a different issue.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So just outside any conductor, what is the electric field? Sigma by epsilon naught.
Epsilon naught.
Okay, where sigma is the surface charge density at the portion nearest to the point where you are finding the electric field. I think it should be clear for you by this time.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
How to improve your marks, man? Huh? Shall I ask Gaji to take your class?
No, sir.
Sir,
Last year he took L41.
sorry, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell? What is the length of the diagonal?
Root 3a.
How? Using vectors you can get this. You know that?
Yes, sir.
This is x, y, this is z now. Just take the coordinates. What are the coordinates of this? What are the coordinates of this? Okay. Then the length of the diagonal is how much? How much is that? Okay, so what is the charge enclosed? Length into lambda, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is charge enclosed understood this? Sorry, by epsilon naught.
Epsilon.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Finished?
Last line, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
These are not
1 minute,
equal,
sir.
you'll get a square, b square, c square.
Yes, sir. It is.
So suppose it's a sphere. And the line charge goes like this. This is see here also he gave this as r by 2, no?
Sir.
So this is how much? R, no? So what is the small part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this whole part will be how much?
Root 3.
Okay.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So what is the charge enclosed? Root 3r is the length inside.
Into lambda.
So what is the flux through this? Through sphere is Q enclosed
1 epsilon. 2, 3 are lambda. 4.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Done, sir.
1 minute. Done, sir.
You can see that with the wire now. Now flux is contributed. See, any line electric field is in which direction for a wire? Like this one, now remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Normal.
sir.
For a long wire, remember this. You can see that any point outside that, what is entering is leaving. See, only the portion within the sphere, the lines of force are exiting. Rest all things you can see outside that. It enters, it leaves, enters, leaves. That means field from the outside portion is not contributing the flux, no? Agreed or not?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute.
1 minute. Sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1
sir.
minute. 1 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 min
completed.
Followed? Now 1 by epsilon naught you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, will it be q by 6 epsilon naught?
Hmm. It is equidistant from all the 6 faces. Therefore, agreed.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Followed this?
Good, sir.
Sir.
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Last time, sir, 1 minute. Done, sir.
About 25 epsilon naught, sir.
No. No, no. It's a cube. See, suppose you are keeping like this. Followed.
Q by 8 epsilon naught.
See, as such, you cannot directly do this. So, what we should do? Try to construct a diagram. You'll get a bigger cube actually. Like that, backside also you'll construct another cube like this. Here also another cube. So, totally, how many cubes you have? This is the original cube. These are constructed. Like that, top also you can, above this also you have another 4, no?
The total is
Yes, sir.
Till here you followed.
followed.
Sir.
That means totally how many cubes are there?
8.
For the structure, Q will be at the center, no?
Yes, sir. All 8.
Yes.
Okay, so how many are there? Is charge enclosed with a bigger cube. That is nothing but Q by epsilon naught, no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
As Q is how much? So each cube flux linkage how much?
1 by 8 into Q by epsilon.
Follow this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can construct no like this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Whether backside.
Sir.
Follow this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Completed.
Sir, any other methods to reduce some, sir? Any other methods?
Not, you have to find E dot ds for everything. It is not possible. You have only two methods. One is E dot ds integration. Right? The other is by this construct, charge enclosed within it.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Followed, sir.
See, now a charge is kept here. Not exactly just above this. Okay. Followed.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? So this is agreed. That means followed this. Find understood the question?
Done, sir.
Q by 24 A naught, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, is it 1 by 24 Q epsilon naught? Q by epsilon naught?
Mhm.
Sir, is it 0?
No.
Q by 24 epsilon naught.
How did you get this? See, this flux, the lines of force that come through Q. Totally, how many lines of force will come out?
Q by epsilon naught.
Q by 24, how you are getting, man?
By 8 epsilon naught by 3, sir.
Hmm?
Q by 8 epsilon naught by 3.
How did you get that?
3 faces, it has having 3 faces also, sir.
Hmm?
That's the past 3 faces.
Pardon?
Sir, the point has 3 faces. That's what he's trying
It
to
has
say.
3 faces.
The point has?
3
The
faces.
point is surrounded by 3 faces, no, sir. That's what he's trying to say.
Okay. Then?
Flux will
So
pass.
for that,
Hmm. How do you get that Q by 20, Q by 24, man?
sir, previously we got 1 by 8 Q by epsilon naught,
Q
right?
by, that is exactly at the center. This is not at the center. There is a difference between these two. Near, he said.
Sir, almost 0, no? The distance.
Uh-huh. What is that thinking, man? I don't understand. Being with a person, being near to the person, there is a difference or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You be nearer to a girl. You be with a girl. There's a lot of difference between these two things, no?
Agreed, sir.
Then you'll make your own assumptions and get the answer. Huh?
Right,
Nearer.
sir.
I
Sir,
don't.
shouldn't it be 0?
Why it should be zero?
Sir, because whatever lines will leave point Q, they will enter and they will leave also, no?
We want to face, no? Not to the whole surface, no?
Okay, sir, okay.
See, We can do one thing. If you take that bigger cube, okay, suppose this is A for L, okay, you can construct as before. Let us see. Do you agree with this? Any doubt in the statement?
No doubt, sir.
Bigger cube side length is L only, no? Hello. Do you agree with this? Follow this or not? That means bottom you have one face, this is another face, and this is the other face. You are able to visualize this is the charge. Understood this? This is nothing but each one is having 4 faces, no? 4 parts, no? You are able to visualize or not? This is
Yes, sir.
small l.
Yes, sir.
Till here he followed.
Followed, sir.
So what is the flux through one phase, can you tell? Do you agree with this? 6 phases, no? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Now how many phases are there? 3. This outside phases. 24 phases, no?
Yes, sir. 24.
Okay. Each phase will be how much? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Finished?
1 minute, sir.
This is side length L. This is bigger cube.
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
If you look at this, understood how much patience you should have to do problems. Simple thing is I can cut short this and go to next problem. But still I'm not doing. Then you feel difficult. Like that. Now you observe carefully which faces are symmetrically situated. The faces, see, EF, GH, HG, CD. And BF, GC. Do you agree with this? This is bigger cube, no? Now, do you agree with this? You're able to visualize? See, what I am saying is, this bottom is there now. This is E, F, G, H. Follow this? And this is C, D. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Follow this or not? E, F, G, H. Okay, H, G. This is one face. You're able to visualize this or not? This face, front face and bottom face. Wait, I'll draw a bigger one. Follow this. Now I am taking this cube. You're able to visualize this cube is nothing but A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. Now see, you're able to visualize.
Yes, sir.
Now the other faces are inside the cube. Which faces are outside this?
Bottom.
So this one, no?
Yes, sir.
The bottom part,
ECGF and DCHD.
This is
Side face.
then what is the other one you have?
Front face.
This is the other one,
BFGC.
front side.
Yes.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agree.
You're able to visualize? Now you can see this charge is symmetrically situated from these faces now. Agreed? That means symmetrically means they are equidistant from the charge. Agreed or not? This is, this is
Yes,
almost
sir.
at the center now. So I
Yes,
can
sir.
say that, see this is one face. Observe carefully. This is Q is all the four parts of the Q. Four faces will receive the same lines now.
Yes, sir.
Like that, this also receives same line. So I can say that what are those faces?
Yeah.
Therefore,
Yes,
understood
sir.
this or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So, shall I go ahead? So, there are, how many faces are there totally we found? Do you agree with this? We have this one, no?
Yes, sir. Each face has 1 by 24 into Q by epsilon naught.
Associated with it, no? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
EFGH. Do you agree with this? Till here you followed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Then what are the remaining phases of that monk? Shall I turn this?
0, sir.
One minute, sir.
See, if you don't do simultaneously the assignment, drive problems and all under any circumstances, I'll finish the syllabus. What you will do, mental? Abrar,
Yes, sir.
if you don't do on parallel with me, then how it is possible?
This time I left some.
Pardon?
This time I left some problems I had. I didn't have time to do all the problems.
Time won't be there. Time will be there for you. For everybody, 24 hours. No? Right from beggar to Bill Gates, same thing. No? How is that you will have special time? The examination time is 3 hours for every student. No? How is that some students are excelling? If you go slow, syllabus will be completed. If you go to try to complete the syllabus, you won't do the work. How it is possible?
No, sir. From this time I will do.
Till October, try to complete all the assignments. November onward, you read chemistry and maths. Chemistry, anyhow, you read chemistry now also, you'll forget by the time November, December. Theory, no? Problems also, all methods you'll forget. Again, you have to revise. Physics learning is difficult. Once you really learn that, it won't be so difficult.
We started flux sir in drive. We started flux topics sir in drive.
You can do it. Now you can complete that.
Yes, sir.
Except capacitors, you can do everything. Shall I turn this? No, I'm not scolding. Try to understand. Because your kids, no, you'll
Yes,
think
sir.
you'll do it. Finally, on fine day, you'll see that you did not do. Exams will come. You'll feel tension, all that unnecessary way.
Sir, one doubt.
Tell.
Sir, in the question it's asking find the flux through each of the faces containing point A.
I did not complete when I had to turn the page. It is I completed.
Oh, sorry, sir. Never mind. Sorry, sir.
See, I have posted on Resnick and Halliday. Remember, volume 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is actually foreign author. Okay. The same thing, a little bit modified for our IIT examination. We have another person, the same thing, some other person. In India, we have collaborated and we just added some objectives of that. Okay. For example, I am sharing on file with you people. See, you check up with Resnick electricity part. Slide for our examination of IIT is modified. This file I am sending. Chapter 22nd, electric charges I sent, no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes,
There is
sir.
nothing. You look at that original Resnick book, chapter 22nd. What are unnecessarily for our IIT exam were removed and the remaining was brought up into this lesson. What I sent with some objective questions being added.
Yes, sir.
Unnecessarily things of Resnick and Halliday which we don't require for our IITG exam were filtered and we just added some objective so that it will be highly useful for our IIT exam. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Sky is the limit, man. Do hard work. If this age you don't study, what will do, man? One thing is sure. Without your knowledge, daily you waste lot of time. Especially at home, no? Morning, little bit of exercise or walking, something you'll say. Now it is not required for you to do all that. Okay. After getting the 8, you have a gym you can do there. Okay. Now you first concentrate on your studies. The second year. Now you can see that A, B, E, F plus A, B, C, D plus A, D, H, E plus what are other phases? E, F, G, H, then H, G, C, D plus B, G, B, F, B, F, G, C. Agreed? Together, what is the fluxman? Just now you have how much? They are how many phases? 24 phases are the smaller phases. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This is
sir.
the total flux, no? Sorry. Total it is 6 by q by epsilon naught, no?
Yes, sir.
No, q by 24. Why? Because 6 bigger phases, what you have? Q by epsilon naught, no? Each bigger phase means side length L. Sorry, side length 2L. You have 1 by 6. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now each phase has 4 smaller phases, no? Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Right, sir.
Agree, how many 4 phases, no? Flux how much?
1 by 4 into.
You got this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Now use your brain. Through this, what is the flux you got just now?
Q by 8 epsilon naught.
Hmm?
Q by 8 epsilon naught, sir.
Hmm. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute.
Hmm. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
See, is the statement correct? Can you tell? Is the statement correct? Hmm? This is actually no. Q enclosed by the cube. This is nothing but 0, no? Because smaller cube is not enclosing any charge. Do you agree with this? Is the smaller cube enclosing any charge? The charge is
No, sir.
outside that cube. Okay. Therefore, you are having flux through ABEF, ABCD, ADHC. See, through these, how much you got? Q by
8 epsilon.
is 0. Therefore, what is the flux through? What does it mean? Flux enters them, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
You are able to visualize.
Yes, sir.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Go through that. Any doubt is there? Now these are the faces which contain A, no?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
See, for better understanding, I am posting one diagram. See, did you receive?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is little bit computer aided, no? So through other three faces, you have q by 8 epsilon naught. Through the faces that contain A, you have minus q by 8 epsilon naught. Part 1, part 2. Go to the problem. Any doubt is there, you can ask. Don't hesitate. It is something related to your career. Second year is very crucial. It makes you an Amir or a Fakir. Your entire future depends upon this. What, Jasim?
Yes, sir.
You are there in the meeting, huh?
Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
And usually afternoon, so you people have the comfort zone of sleeping.
No, sir.
Every year, first year classes beginning, they'll give first class for me only, morning. So the senior classes, last year I took morning for you, afternoon seniors. Same thing now for you. So, go through that. Any doubt is there, you can ask. That figure gives you a lot of information. Any doubt?
1 minute, sir. Going through.
Can you tell me, give post one doubt, man, which is very difficult for your feeling in the exam. What is it? I want to see that. What is such a difficult one?
Sir,
Question number you tell at least.
sir,
Tell me.
one thing to ask, sir.
Hmm?
One thing to ask about exams, sir. Test.
Pardon?
Sir, one thing about Sunday test to ask, sir. Which subject should we do first, sir?
Each subject,
Which subject should we do first, sir?
which subject, your mic is not proper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am saying that, sir.
See, I'll say my experience is physics decides the rank, man. So it's really a little bit tough only. So what I advise is first, if you finish the tough subject, these are practice exams. These are not final exam. In the final examination, you can do whichever you feel easy by that time. You go on doing for these 2 years, no? So by that time, you can do one thing. Easiest subject, when what you feel in that time, you can do it. First go skin the paper, man. Don't sit with one paper. Final exam, I'll tell what to do. But these practice papers, first complete physics. Okay. Then what is the next tough subject for you? For any student? Go with the toughest, second toughest and least. This in the final exam, now you get practice, no? As you go on doing, now the tough subject may become easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Now only you start doing, leaving physics in the beginning, you will never learn physics. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
See, for example, a cricketer before going into the playground, he has to burn lot of calories, workouts and all they make you do that we won't see. Lot of work they'll put in. Reason is they get tuned for the final day. Similarly, now this toughness will help you to face the final exam very easily. So always now first to do the toughest, then second toughest, make relatively easier, then the last easiest. Final exam you can do the easiest first. Because there the final day, no, that is. Clear?
yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Suppose you go on doing like this physics first, now math, next chemistry. By the time final exam has come, suppose you feel chemistry is easiest. Start with chemistry. Then math is easiest. That next math. Go to physics. That way you can tune. However, I'm telling the limitations of time. You have to finish off your chemistry in 40 minutes. Now actually you should finish easy, no, organic, no. I'm talking about physical and organic and inorganic. Now physical is not there, so you should finish it much more earlier. In 25 minutes only you should complete. 20 minutes is more than enough now. Theory only, no. So this is what you have to do. Sorry, this is physical, not physics. Physical plus organic, inorganic, 45 minutes maximum. Now physical is not there, so maximum 20 minutes organic only, no. Followed? Then only you'll save time. Okay. Maths you have to finish because relatively easy, 1 hour. Then if you finish this, you can spare this much for physics. By maths 1 hour you spend, get 80 marks. Physics if you get 80, chemistry, then you will be getting this on par with that. Okay, you do this for 1 hour, I'll get 80. This I'll do for 1.5 hours, I'll get 80 means this you will be getting 30 happily. Okay, so then the total will come down. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Maths,
this time I
physics,
also
chem.
do this.
No, like that, you have to put, this is difficult, man. What we
First
can do?
physics. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because many children at national level also do the same thing. But this decides this. If physics is easy, you won't have coaching centers, especially BPC, they'll wind up. What is there to teach for biology, man? Root is called root only, leaf is called leaf only. What is that extra thing? Can anybody give the reasoning actually why a cell has come out? Nobody knows. We'll say finally one word, nature. Nature means that we did not see. That is only God. Only because of physics only this whole industry, coaching industry is running. See the turnover of Byju's, Unacademy, they are sponsoring IPL matches means how much money they got turned up. The student involvement, man. Second year means you should be very sincere at work, get your doubts clear, that's all. Now any doubt is there in this part? Check up.
No, sir.
Sir, can you do question number 41, sir?
40?
41.
Okay. 1 second. Any doubt in that?
Can you do that one, sir?
Pardon?
No doubt in this one.
Hmm. Where is that question, man?
Physics, it is question number 16, sir. If you go by that order.
Physics number 16. You read the question first of all.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. A non-conducting ring of radius 0.5 meter carries a total charge of 1.11 into 10 to the power of minus 10 coulomb, distributed non-uniformly on its circumference, producing an electric field E everywhere in space. Value of the line integral minus E dot dl is equal to 0, being center of the ring in volts is.
E dot dl. See, see, man. This is the ring.
Yes, sir.
This L equals to 0, it seems, no?
Yes, sir.
What is saying? E equals. Now this is E. So this is L equals to 0 means this is L equals R, no?
Yes, sir.
L equals to R, go on, L equals infinity, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed.
So if you take this as dl, what is E dot dl? 0, no? From 0 to, what is asking?
0 to infinity.
What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
0, sir. 0.
What is the difficulty here? Understanding the question is difficult. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
But
it
the
is
ring
0 to
has
infinity, no,
non-uniform
sir.
distribution, so the
Pardon?
electrical.
Pardon? Due
It
to a
is
ring,
0 to
electric field
infinity.
is okay, 0 to infinity, infinity to 0, anything. E dot dl is 0 only, no? Why do you bother about limits?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
The ring has non-uniform charge distribution, sir, according to the
Whatever it
question.
is, man, electric field is this side only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the field direction? E will be non-uniform, means it may change. Is it clear?
Can you give the charge value also in question? We didn't use that.
Pardon? Whatever
Give
it
the
is, man, E dot dl is 0. Why should I use, man? He is asking one integral E dot dl, that is 0 anyhow. Whether he gives any other information, I'm least bothered, no?
Yes, sir.
You go to a hotel, you are a vegetarian. Why do you bother about what dishes are there in non-vegetarian? He is asking what? Is it clear?
Got it.
See, he'll give additional information to misguide you. It doesn't mean whatever information people you have to use, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood
Got
why I say? If you understand the question, see how easy it is.
Yes, sir. Understanding the question is difficult in an
That is the reason why I'm asking you to do assignments. Like last year, I am not giving too much work for you. Class notes. Next, teaching module is nothing but revision of, thank you, division of class notes. Next, that objective material, what is that called? Practicing book. Drive problem. If you do this all, then there's a ray of hope to get into NIT. First step. So that's the reason why I am not giving the paper. Next week I will give the paper. Because 2 weeks the sir has given. Now let me see how you will write my paper. Now tell.
So this E dot dl is equals to change in potential message.
E dot dl is change in potential energy. Yes, I do agree. Then, so perpendicular to this, if you move perpendicular to electric field, what is the potential difference? Perpendicular to field, no?
Zero. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That also you can do. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes. Now clear. Yes.
Like that you try. After exam you try. Once again you try all the questions. If you have any doubts, you can ask tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take care then. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank
See
you.
this
sir.
last
Okay, sir.
question you go through once again, that cube problem.
Yes, sir.
Because that gives you a lot of visualization. It will help you to do many problems on cube. Okay. For example, in the chapter probability of your math, you have on chessboard. Only on chessboard you have many infinite number of problems. That will help you to build your IQ. Okay. Similarly, this cube problem helps you to visualize. Right then. Take care. Bye.
Sir.
Tell.
Sir, one more doubt, sir, about that only.
Tell.
Sir, that how the perpendicular electric field strength are cancelled, sir. There it is not mentioned that non-uniform here.
Nobody are cancelling, man. If this is the electric field, he is saying like this dl. What is the angle?
90 degrees, sir.
So E dot dl will be how much?
Yes, sir.
0 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Here is no cancellation, nothing. E is existing, dl is existing, but the angle is 90. That's why it became 0. Followed?
Sir, in the question it is not mentioned that DL is perpendicular to the field.
It is mentioned. L equals to 0, he gave C.
Sir, L equal to 0, if it is the center of the ring, then the DL can be in any direction, no, sir.
You have to integrate from where to where?
Infinity to 0.
From there only. If you go along radial direction, what you will get?
Sir, here E could be in any other direction, sir. Because perpendicular.
See, you do one thing. According to the question which he has read down, boy read now,
Yes, sir.
he told this only, no?
Yes, sir.
You do one thing. You do it on a paper and post it. What is your query? I'll understand. Because I don't have a question paper.
Yes, sir.
You do it on a paper and tell your, raise your doubts. This could be the case, that could be the case. Then I'll put forward my views. Okay?
Okay, sir.
See, always remember argument is needed for development. Somebody challenged Newton, the next generation, next week go other chapters, no?
Yes, sir.
When I got this idea out about from the problem he read, we got 0, I gave. But he said, okay, correct answer only. I don't know. We post the question first, okay? I'll read and I'll see what are the possibilities, okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
main
Yes.
group.
Huh? No, man, you can directly message me, no?
Now I have a screenshot.
Now immediately I have another class. Now I won't see night only. Now I
Okay,
have,
sir. Okay.
I have backup classes. Right. Okay. Right.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.